Good morning, children. A warm welcome to the IT class. Last session we have learnt about mail merge. In this session we will be studying about steps to perform mail merge. Let us learn each step in detail. Open a new MS Word document and type the required letter. You may add pictures as well. Format the document as per your requirement. You could also open a saved document that you have created earlier. On the Mailing tab, choose Start Mail Merge. Select Step by Step Mail Merge wizard from the drop-down list. The Mail Merge task pane appears on the right side of the window. This takes you through the complete process in a step-by-step manner. At any step, you can choose to go back to the previous step and modify it if needed. Select the document type as letter and click Next Starting Document at the bottom of the pane. Select your current document as the starting document and then click Next. Select Recipients at the bottom of the pane. The recipient list is your data source document. To create a new list, select Type a new list from the Select Recipient box. Click OK once all the new recipients have been listed and save the list on your computer. The Mail Merge Recipients dialog box will appear, displaying the details of all the records added by you. Select the recipients you want and click OK. Click Next. Write your letter at the bottom of the Mail Merge task pane to go to the next step. In this step, the Mail Merge wizard will ask you to type out your main document. Once you have completed editing, click at the location in the document where you would like to insert the personalized greeting, name or any other recipient detail. Click the address block or greeting line in the task pane to connect your data source file to the mail document. Look at the labels in the Insert Address block dialog box. The format to be used for each recipient can be chosen from the drop-down menu. A preview of the recipients can be viewed in the chosen format. Click OK in the dialog box and then Next preview your letters in Mail Merge task pane. This will display each letter and allow you to check for errors. You can make further changes to specific letters at this stage if needed. Click on Next. Complete the merge in the Mail Merge task pane. In the Mail Merge task pane, choose Print to create a PDF file of the merged document or to print it. To make corrections to a particular letter from the merged document, choose Edit Individual Letters from the Mail Merge task pane. To preview the final merged document, click on Preview Your Letters. Here are a few samples of the final document after mail merge. So children, what did we learn in this lesson? We learned that mail merge is used to create and send personalized letters with similar content to multiple recipients simultaneously. Mail merge helps the sender save time and effort in creating individual documents by allowing them to add personalized elements to the main document. Every mail merge document is made up of the main document, which is uniform for all recipients, and the data source details of recipients. The mail merge wizard provides step by step guidance to create merged documents. Thank you.